Today we're talking about Kubernetes, reCAPTCHA, and AppSheet. I'm Stephanie Wong, and welcome to This Week in Cloud, where we serve you the lowest latency news from the safety of home. Working with Kubernetes often means working with YAML, and custom resource definitions can introduce even more complexity. That's why we wanted to let you know about Cloud Code's expanded support for Kubernetes CRDs. Cloud Code supports IDEs and helps you write, run, and debug cloud-native applications, and now also supports inline documentation, completions, and linting for both popular and custom CRDs. Web traffic is at a record high, but for more than just humans. Traffic from automated systems is also on the rise, and while not all bots are malicious, you can keep your business secure with reCAPTCHA Enterprise. Enterprise introduces better security, risk analysis, and abuse protection without making your users select which squares contain a stoplight. See how it works and keep your system secure. Google Workspace is all about collaboration and staying productive. AppSheet lets you take that one step further by letting you build no-code custom apps, or you can use AppScript to extend and modify with some quick code. Use either or both to do more, and if you're looking for how to get started, take a look at the Solutions Gallery for some examples. Finally, thanks for sticking with us as we brought you the lowest latency news from the safety of home. It's been a fun challenge making our content from our own homes, so we're giving the team a well-deserved break. This is the last episode of the year, and This Week in Cloud will be back in 2021. If you want to read more about these announcements, check out the link in the video description. And feel free to continue sharing your thoughts and ideas by commenting or tweeting us. We'll see you in the cloud.